Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to get notifications when someone posts on Facebook. Open your Facebook app. Then here we can see our friends. So tap on it. Then select your friends. Select any friend you want and here tap on these three dots. Then select friends. Select friend list. Tap on close friends. Then tap on done to save the changes. After that, tap on menu and scroll down and select settings and privacy. Select settings. Here select notifications. Select updates from friends. Then make sure this button is turned on. Now you can get notifications when your friend posts on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.